Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore payout settings with Stripe Connect, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore payout settings with Stripe Connect, start by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard on the main page. Locate the settings option in the left sidebar. Click on Settings to access account configuration options. In the Settings menu, find the Payouts section. Click on Payouts to view your current payout settings. If your payouts are disabled, look for a notification indicating the reason. Common reasons include incomplete verification or missing information. To resolve this, click on the Complete Verification link. Follow the prompts to provide any necessary business information, such as your tax identification number. Submit the required documentation, such as a government-issued ID or business registration. After submitting, check back for updates on your verification status. Once verified, return to the Payouts section. You should see an option to restore or activate payouts. If prompted, enter any additional information needed to finalize this process. Confirm your settings by clicking the Save or Activate button. Monitor your payouts to ensure they are flowing correctly. If issues persist, reach out to Stripe support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.